In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Steam Web API key in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a game developer or just someone looking to integrate Steam into your app, having your API key is essential. So let's break down this simple process step by step. First things first, what you want to do is open your Steam application. If you don't have it installed, you can easily download it from the Steam website. Once you've got the application up and running, head straight to the login page. Click on the login button to proceed. Now, it's time to enter your account credentials. Carefully type in your Steam account name, followed by your password. Remember to double check your entries to avoid any errors. Once you're certain that the information is correct, go ahead and click on Sign In. This should bring you right to your Steam homepage. Once you're signed in, take a look around the homepage. You'll want to find the Community tab located at the top of the page. Clicking on this will redirect you to the community page, which is filled with user-generated content and discussions. However, our focus is on the URL at this stage. In the URL bar of the community page, add dev API key at the end of the URL and hit enter. Doing this takes you to a specific section on Steam's site dedicated to API keys. Here you will encounter a series of prompts that you need to follow. These prompts are designed to ensure the security and proper use of your API key, so be sure to read them carefully. Typically, these prompts will ask for information such as the name of your application, your website domain, and a brief description of how you intend to use the API key. This information helps Steam monitor the usage of their services and ensures that their API is being used appropriately. After you've filled out all the necessary information, Steam will generate your API key. This key is unique to your account and should be kept secure. You'll want to copy it and store it somewhere safe because you'll need it for any future interactions with the Steam API. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you successfully retrieved your Steam Web API key. Remember to use it responsibly and in accordance with Steam's guidelines. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Steam's support team is always ready to help. Thanks for watching and happy developing.